Hey guys, are you obsessed with the mosquitoes and other kind of insects? Then this device is for you. This is a mosquitoes or pest killer. This will help you to kill all the pests in your room, in your home, in your business organization, etc. So this device is almost cost me 1000 by purchasing from Amazon. But if you are purchasing this device from the link given in the description, then you will get up to 100 rupees discount. So let me open it as it is a unboxing and first impression of the device. This device is looking like a radio. Yes, there is also a orange color board, and let me open the wire. It is twisted. Okay, yeah, this is the device. You can see two ultraviolet light on the device. This will help us to attract the insects and kill it. Yeah, there's a label pest killer, so you can see there is some coils. Okay, there's also some chain available on there, and the orange board. Still I didn't understand what's the use of this board, but again let's move on to the label where all the details are given. So now after looking some time, I found the use of the plate or use of the orange board that is used to collect the insect's body, which is killed. And there is a chain. I will use this chain as a hand chain for showing off. Just kidding. It's for pinning the device and dragging it on anywhere on the wall or anywhere. Okay, you want to clip it here and on both sides. It's okay. You can see this is the okay, there is a switch. You have to on it. If you turn it on, you can able to see a blue light stand on, and that is the UV light which will attract the insects. So yeah, it's actually a great device. I had started using this device from the past 2 days, and I will create another video sharing the complete review of this device after 2 months or 1 month. So yeah, that's all about this device. Thanks for watching.